Why is Holi celebrated? Also called as the Festival of Colors, Holi is one of the most popular festivals celebrated in India. Year on year, Holi arrives on the Purnima day, full moon day, in the month of Falguna, February to March. There is a popular story from Hindu mythology that has given rise to the festival of Holi. The most ancient roots. The mythological stories behind the celebration of Holi dates back to the Kruta Yuga and Dwapara Yuga. It is said during his times, Krishna organized this festival with great fanfare. A very old work of the Vedic literature, namely Jayamini's Purva Mimamsa Sutras and Kathaka Griha Sutra, has references about Holi. Several years ago. Therefore, we might say the festival of Holi started several years before Christ. Ancient Indian temple paintings and scriptures depict the celebration of Holi. The temple of Hampi, built in the capital of Vijayanagara Empire, represents Holi celebrations by royal families. In these lines, we may also make a mention of the paintings in Ahmednagar, Mewar and Bundi. The story behind Holi. Once there was a demon called Hiranyakashipu who nurtured hatred towards Lord Vishnu since he had earlier killed his brother Hiranyaksha. Prahlad was the son of Hiranyakashipu. Due to some mysterious causes, Prahlad was devoted to Vishnu by birth, which infuriated the demon Hiranyakashipu. Being unsuccessful in persuading Prahlad to hate Vishnu, Hiranyakashipu decided to put an end to the life of Prahlad and tried several means. The victory of good over evil. As part of his efforts to kill Prahlad, once Hiranyakashipu called his sister Holika and asked her to keep Prahlad on her laps and sit in the pyre so that the child shall be burnt to ashes. Holika had earlier got a boon that her body shall never be burnt by the fire. Once she entered the fire, to everyone's surprise, nothing happened to Prahlad, while Holika was burnt down at once to ashes. Since then, Holi came to be celebrated with the burning of fire, signifying the victory of good over evil. The new dimension to Holi. During the age of Dwapara, Lord Krishna organized Holi festival in a very grand manner. It was then that Holi attained a new dimension with the play of colors, squirting of water, songs, music, and exuberant joy. As early as Krishna's times, Holi became a community event. Even to this day, the grandeur of Holi celebrations that happen in Vrindavan is unmatched. The Holi events. Burning a pyre on the eve of Holi is the top highlight of the festival. Holi says goodbye to winter and invites spring season. It is also deemed as the festival of spring harvest, and in this regard, it is also called as Vasanta Mahotsav. Squirting water and colors on others is the main part of the joyful celebrations of Holi. If you enjoyed watching our video, do share it and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel.